Hello everyone, I am Dipansh and I welcome you all to the SOG Esports National Championship here at Noida. And joining me are two very special people, Advocate Nandan Jha, founder and advisor of the SOG Federation, and Dr. Payal Jha. Sir, बहुत स्वागत है, मैम बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
Thank you, Dipansh. Thank you very much. You're very excited.
मैं नहीं सर, यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, प्लेयर्स, स्पेक्टेटर्स, एवरीवन इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड अभी फीफा का सेमीफाइनल चल रहा है, आप लोगों ने टेकन का मैच देखा, योर रिएक्शंस?
Yeah, so even me and Payal watching like a player, and the excitement you can see like other crowds, we also excited, and actually we don't know which party you are into. So yeah, enjoying the match, enjoying the moment.
श्योरली. मैम, आपका फेवरेट मोमेंट, अभी आपने टेकन सेमीफाइनल्स देखा एंड फीफा सेमीफाइनल्स चल रहा है, योर फेवरेट मोमेंट?
Favorite moment was the Tekken one when the female player was beating the male player. That was the
True feminist, huh? True feminist. So, sir, please tell us about this event, SOG Esports नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप, एंड SOG के जो नेक्स्ट esports को लेके प्लान्स हैं फ्यूचर के, उन प्लान्स के बारे में बताइए.
So Dipansh, first of all, I want to take this opportunity and wants to thanks Government of India. 2 days before they come up with the sports policy, the new sports policy passed by Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Now, after the President of India has become ordinance and the rules. So we wanted to come up this from last 5-6 years, but these rules come up 3 days before, and see we are doing a national tournament. So like others player, even the entire federation is very excited with this new news. Now the sports minister, the ministry, they are sitting together to make a new policy for esports also. And of course SOG will guide them, help them. International Mind Sports will help them wherever they need. Government of India, this is their preview. But as you can see, the Global Esports Federation is here. So we are the member and affiliated with International Esports Federation and Global Esports Federation. So we have lots of experience through the international body. In this new regime, Government of India don't know how to make this policy. So since you have an international body and they are doing from last 16-17 years, so this 16-17 years experience will help Indian government to make and regulate this policy.
So मैम, जैसे कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेल प्लेयर्स हैं एंड नेक्स्ट सीजन हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि ज़्यादा फीमेल प्लेयर्स भी आएँ. So your message to all the female players, esports player out there?
The message is like it is not only for the males. You can also play. Female can also play. I played just now and I won all the
Oh,
that,
really?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
did not know.
So it is not something only male can play. So even females can contribute and we can win the Tekken.
Very nice.
हम SOG Esports नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप में इस सीज़न 2 गेम्स है, टेकन 8 एंड EA FC 25. योर फेवरेट गेम इन दोनों में से एक?
Football I like, so I play football. So of course that's.
मैम, योर्स?
I've already told is Tekken.
Well, thank you so
So
much.
you have both team.
Yes.
Next time we'll have a team fight.
Surely.
And of course, yeah, I can take this time and the entire federation looking forward to add more and more game. And of course, I got to know that this entire venue become very short. You need a bigger place to host this esports national championship. So I am assuring you, the next time we'll have the stadium kind of feeling. Audience is already there. When you have esports, audience is already there.
Yeah, right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us your time. And it was a pleasure talking to you both. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dipansh.
Thank you.